Hi everyone. It's been a while since I've shared a video to do with wheelchair lighting. I've had another idea that's inexpensive that I'm wanting to pass on. In April, I took and passed my basic drone operator's exam and now have my drone pilot certificate for here in Canada. And as I've been building confidence and the practical skill set with flying, I've just recently ordered this drone safety light. So what it's for is shining at night while you're flying. And it got me thinking, there's an overlapping use that there's no reason why you couldn't buy one or two of these for your power wheelchair and have one behind you on the back support and then have another one sort of off on your left side if that's where traffic goes by you, or if you're in England you put it on your right side if that's where cars are, so that it's defining the border of the road space that you use. In other words, if there's a light shining down behind you, in front of you, it's going to create a shadow for cars so they can see where you are and where you aren't. I'm not saying that should be your only safety strategy, but it could be one of them. This thing's extremely powerful. What originally made me realize this is there's some construction happening in my backyard, and the guys were working and the sun was setting and they needed some extra lighting. So I went and grabbed my two of these and I taped one of them to the clothesline pole, which is near where they're working, and was enough to light the area that they're around. You can see what I'm talking about in this picture. There's no way or no reason why that this would not work with the wheelchair. So this model comes with Velcro on the back of it, and this particular one is the hard side of Velcro, and then you would put the fuzzy side that's kind of like my beard on your wheelchair where you wanted it to stick onto. There is a little bit of a caveat that I would give though. I would include a second option for securing it to your wheelchair. I would get someone to bend a piece of metal so that it's just containing the very edges of this. So it's basically making a little holder for the light to sit into, so that if you hit a really hard bump, the light won't fall off your wheelchair. It would just add a little bit more durability than what the short area here provides with the Velcro going on and off. I'll put the make and model of this in the description of the video, but I would honestly suggest you look into different options for drone lighting, and then look here on YouTube and start seeing which ones might work well for you. So what I mean by this is finding people that are flying their drones at night and sharing videos on YouTube and getting a sense of what the light is like and if that would be a good match for you. This particular model, I'm not out to blind you, but this particular model has a bright mode like this, and then there's also the strobe mode. I don't want to keep that going in case anyone watching my channel has epilepsy, but it's just different options. There's also some different colors that this model gives. So I just want to get you thinking about what might be a headlight for you, or what may be for traffic behind you so that you can be seen okay. And recharging this is the same as your cell phone. You just put the USB cable right here and give it about 2 hours and it'll be back up to full strength again. It seems like it's doable. And for someone in your life that really cares about you, but just can't fix you because of your disability, telling them something like buying me this to help me have the best quality of life possible is something that a person could do for you. I mean, this was all of about $30 Canadian. You know, I bought one in China that was 23, and I wanted a second model, and that one was about 35 when it was already here. So it was about $30 average, and the strobe mode is good for 20 hours. Using it as a flashlight is good for about 2 hours. And if you think about it, you're not going to be out with your wheelchair for more than a 2-hour period. Anyway, it's an inexpensive option. Certainly it would be a good tool for your own safety. There are other creative options that seeing this may get you thinking and have you pursue. And certainly I would just encourage you to be creative. There's an overlapping set of tools that, we've got, motorcycles, we've got bicycles, you can use the drone lights, and there's the 12 volt or electric bikes, there's the mobility scooters. So there's just lots to draw on that you can see what's a good match for you and sort of run with it. I really hope you're doing okay. Thanks for this time that you spent with me together today. Bye for now.